ngisase kuVits ngishisa kakhulu yabona. Here comes this businessman uthenga iSundowns. He travels to Ogni Stadium. iSundowns iVits isidlala neChiefs eOgni. He comes nge-private jet laphayana. He comes specifically to have a look at me. Kanti ilanga lakhona vele ngizoshaya i-equalizer. iChiefs beyisileader 1 sidlala nabo Shafu. Full house eOgni ngishaya i-equalizer lapho. Ngiyabhaza strong.
Yeah.
Hayi ngene ikholi ke manje amakhola ayangena. Yema Mambush Mudawo yeba. Peter Controlis ngiyafonela left right and nayo le uCosta nayo sekuyi manje hey bangifula lapha.
Akakabi ne-agent.
Yabo angakabi ne-agent ngesikhathi. So yeah, these guys came knocking yabona bathi lo muntu ufikile azokubukele Ogni Stadium. He wants you. He just bought Sundowns, billionaire businessman yabona. Patrice Motsepe. And mina vele bengithanda iSundowns even the way idlala ngakhona yabona. Ronmane lenilangidonsa mfethu was sold for 1 million from Vets to Sundowns. Everybody was happy. Nasedlaleni sacala yabona sasaba ne-meeting ukuthi is this the right move yabona.
Okay.
Ngoba ukuthi hayi wonke siyavumelana ukuthi it's time to further my career.
Sure.
And yeah, we did it, and I was very happy with that move.